Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we're giving you an update on the Pinnacle. Now this structure is now at 24 floors on its way to 28. I have to say it is moving quickly. The last time we did a video here, about a month ago, it was at 21 floors and they are now at 24 floors. They actually have the floors numbered on the outside so you can see what's going on. So today we're giving you a tour of the building, and somebody had asked us to fly around the entire building with a drone, so that's what we're doing today. Now the Pinnacle it is the tallest building in Jamaica as of today. The Rogers at 20 floors in Kingston was the tallest, but the Pinnacle has surpassed it and is now 24 floors. But there's another building, Moon Palace, that's going to be 33 floors. They haven't started construction yet, but it's coming. So this building is actually one of four. This is a Swallowtail, or also known as Tower 1. All four buildings are named after birds. This building is going to be a residential tower. Apartments, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, penthouses, and tower 2 and 3 is going to be used as a hotel. Very nice structure. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on here. The Pinnacle development in Montego Bay is one of the most ambitious real estate projects in Jamaica, and at its heart is Tower 1, the Swallowtail, now under construction. This 28-story residential tower represents a new chapter in Caribbean architecture, blending luxury, strength, and modern design on the scenic Redding Peninsula. The construction of Tower 1 showcases advanced engineering. Its foundation sits on roughly 400 piles, each driven about 100 feet into bedrock and reinforced with a 6-foot raft foundation for stability. The structure uses high-strength concrete and a triple-layer glass curtain wall system designed to withstand hurricane-force winds. To ensure safety, the tower also features a lightning protection system with advanced grounding, making it one of the most resilient buildings in the region. Beyond strength, the Swallowtail is built for lifestyle. Apartments will feature open layouts, floor-to-ceiling glass, and panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea and Montego Bay Marine Reserve. Residents will enjoy shared amenities including swimming pools, sky decks, a private marina, fitness and wellness spaces, and easy access to restaurants and shops within the development. Tower 1 is part of Phase 1 of the Pinnacle, which also includes a second residential tower and a 7th-floor parking facility, all scheduled for completion in 2027. The project will eventually feature 4 towers, private villas, and a branded hotel is expected to be finished by 2028. The first tower is more than just a building. It is a symbol of Jamaica's growth and its ability to attract world-class investment. By combining resilience, luxury, and modern design, the Swallowtail not only transformed Montego Bay skyline but also set a new benchmark for high-rise living in the Caribbean. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. At the beginning we said this is the tallest building in Jamaica, 28 floors. But it's also the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean as well. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.